Hey, serious, say the Krobia Sante Kotoko enya Sergio Ramos and Thiago Silva omu defense or backline because not too long ago and Samba O'Neal, the dependable defender Samba O'Neal the two just say no obone ball no it is Sergio Ramos ex Real Madrid player na the ball first game with Accra House of Folk obi ehu say asem a okan no na enye agudie na enye enumdwa and it wasn't a statement na oye de abrage but in the course of the game na manfo hu say Samba O'Neal a good defender na obetimi aboa Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Another defender Kotoko assign no Joseph Agblo ono another screen so no Kotoko ko fa ni free Hafia club Guinea ono nso center back na ono nso na wakotwetwe nkomo with Kumasi Asante Kotoko YouTube channel no na o chiremu say ono ball no ono nso adaje ma ball na obo ne ball to say former Chelsea defender your friend Thiago Silva, former PSG, former Chelsea. Quickly, me mamka photo yi ho asem kakra encha. Unim say abranti we anopa Kotoko sign no. Enwumre na o join the team no na omko boy no mo hyeti Accra so fuka. Eche say the Democracy Cup no o wini ye na ne medal no na o ko ni kurum a ewo Ghana haya na o de medal no ekoto ne nana ekomu say ne nana inspire pa nti he cannot do without ne nana no waba Ghana na wabeji ne first trophy with Kumasi Asante Kotoko. It's only good say odebeko ne nana ho na ne nana ebe shira no with regards to the move to Krobia Asante Kotoko nti hu say that screen so Joseph Agblo Kotoko new defender or say obone ball to say Thiago Silva no ono na the screen so the Kotoko be resume on the 28th of July after resumption on Kotoko be friendly games me sure say no na Ghana man any Asante man especially Kotoko supporters e de be head Joseph Agbolo say ono nso de oka say obobo to say Sergio Ramos no obo ne say Sergio ana say ono ka say obo ne say Thiago Silva no yen hwesa ball bo ne say Thiago Silva no ono ne de no enso ebe no credit say de abranti a your friend Samba O'Neal kan ya yin na ko hwe na ye no kre na yes